Hi everyone, welcome back to Yedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone 7 mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then undo two bottom screws by using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, you need a good suction cup or something similar to take out the screen. Here, we use a suction cup to lift the front assembly. Press the screen to create a gap, and then use a plastic cup pry tool or triangle picker to separate and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Next, lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book and remove the bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, remove the earpiece bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. And then, to free the screen, disconnect the LCD, touch and earpiece assembly plugs from the logic board. Next, undo 3 screws and relax the Taptic engine motor on the body. Next, take out the battery by peeling the tapes out. There are 3 adhesive tabs, one on the top and 2 more on the battery's bottom side. Gently pull out the adhesive strips using your fingers or tweezer. Please note that the adhesive tabs and placement might change if the device had previous battery replacement. Next, take out the not working battery. Next, secure the Taptic engine by adding 3 screws. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, connect the front screen to the body. First, connect the board's earpiece assembly plug, and then secure the LCD and touch assembly plugs. Ensure the connections are secured, and then secure the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for verification. Next, secure both brackets by adding 6 screws. Next, to clamp up the phone, click in the top section first. Then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. And then finalize the installation by adding 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.